Hey there guys, this is going to be like very effective video for you on how you can actually connect and install the Outlook into your HubSpot account. So it's like very simple and effective. So what you want to do is you want to go to the right to your account. Then you're going to find profile and preferences. And when you're going to be in profile and preferences, you want to come here and then you're going to have under profile, you're going to have like email next to it. When the moment when you're going to click on the email, you're going to find here connect your personal accounts to HubSpot to log, track, send, and receive emails in HubSpot CRM to manage any team emails, and send and schedule emails for HubSpot, log emails, replies, suggest follow-up tasks. And you're going to click here, connect personal email. You can also turn on the inbox automation, and you're going to click connect your inbox, where you're going to write here, for example, like that, outlook.com, and you're going to click next. And then your email is hosted by Microsoft. We recommend connecting to Outlook 365. And you're going to click here, connect to Outlook 365. So then, okay, continue. And voila, you're just going to sign in, and that's how you're going to do it. So pretty simple, straightforward for you. Of course, is like when you're going to do it, you can click here, connect different if you are going to have like Gmail, etc. So that's something you can actually do, and how the whole process works. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day.